Hi everyone, I am Preeti Sharma. I am the student of class 9 and today I am going to tell you about physical science chapter measurement. First of all, what is measurement? The action of measuring anything is called measurement. The next question is, what is physical quantity? Anything that can be measured is called physical quantity. Now, the physical quantity is going to be measured in two systems. The first one is the Cgs system and the second one is the SI system. So let me clear you what is Cgs system and what is SI system. So these are the different system of measurement. So the full form of Cgs is centimeter, gram and second. We can call the Cgs system as French or metric system and we can call the SI system as the Lay system international day units. Now our next question is, what are fundamental units? I must clear you, the units are derived into two parts. First of all, let me clear you what is unit. Okay, so here what is unit? In measuring any physical quantity, some convenient and definite quantity of it is taken as the standard, and in terms of this standard, the physical quantity is going to be measured, and this standard is called unit. So we clear what is unit. Now unit are of two types. Number one, fundamental unit, and number two is derived unit. Now what are fundamental unit? The unit of length, mass and time which are independent to each other and from which other units are derived is called fundamental unit. Now what is derived unit? The units which are derived from one or more than one fundamental unit is called derived unit. So now it is clear that what is unit, what is derived unit, what is fundamental unit. Now we use the unit to measure in different systems. I had already told you. So the first system is Cgs and the second is SI. So now I am going to tell you that what is the unit of SI system of measuring something. For example, if the physical quantity is length, then the SI unit of that physical quantity is meter and the symbol of meter is m. Now if the physical quantity is mass, then the SI unit is kilogram, and if the physical quantity is luminous intensity, then the SI unit are candela. So there are various physical quantity which has various units, and I had given you three examples for that. Now I am going to tell you some units which are used for different measurement, like AU. AU is a unit which means astronomical unit. The value of AU is 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 m is equal to meter. So AU, astronomical unit, is used to measure astronomical distances. For example, as we measure the distance of sun and the earth, so we measure it with the help of AU, which is going to be known as astronomical unit. Now LY. LY is light year. It is also a unit. It is used to measure the light travelled by vacuum in 1 year. So the distance of light which is travelled by vacuum in 1 year is going to be known as Ly. Is it equals to light year, and the value of Ly is 9.46 into 10 to the power 50 meter. So next here is parsec. It is going to be known as parallactic second. So what is parsec? Parsec is the distance at which an arc of length of 1 AU subtends an angle of 1 second of an arc, and the value of parsec is 3.26 Ly. And now the last one is U. U means unified atomic mass unit. It is a unit. Initially it was going to be known as AMU, means atomic mass unit. And nowadays, in modern way, it is going to be known as U, which means Unified Atomic Mass Unit. And the value is 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. So, in this, we are going to learn something more in the chapter measurement. And the existing parts are, what is dimension? You all are known from dimension, but I am going to give you a clear definition about what is dimension. The powers to which the fundamental unit of mass, length and time are raised to represent a derived unit are called dimension. So here I am going to give you some dimension of some elements, such as the dimension of area is length square, the dimension of volume is length cube, the dimension of density is ml to the power minus 3. There are various dimensions. You can learn it in any more. So now, okay, it is very easy. Now we are going to discuss about some instruments which are used to measure anything. In measurement, we are using some instrument. For example, if we are going to measure millimeter or centimeter in line, so we are measuring a scale which is known as meter scale. So what is meter scale? If a scale be graduated only in millimeter and centimeter, then the scale is known as meter scale. And now we all are known from common balance. You all know what is common balance. It is used to measure the mass of the body. It is also an instrument. So it has various parts like that common balance have balance beams, stirrups, pointer, lever, scale pans, pump line, glass case, etc. Now we shall discuss about weight box. What is weight box? You are also known from weight box, but I am going to give you a clear definition. So listen properly. What is weight box? A wooden box for holding weight are called weight box. So this weight box have two sets of arrangement. The first set, which is made up of brass, are arranged in the order of 1, 2, 2, 5, 10, 20, 20, 50 and 100. And the second set of weight box, which is made up of aluminium, are kept in order of 5, 10, 20, 20, 50, 100, 200, 200, 500, etc. So now for measuring time, this were for the measurement of mass, length, etc. Or for measuring time, there is only two things which is very common: pendulum clock and stopwatch. Pendulum clock has a time period of 2 seconds and stopwatch is used to measure this time interval. Thank you.